Let's get started.
Let's start by removing that fence. Ha! Got it. Now let's take it to the recycling plant.
Time to get rid of those bricks.
Wow, you guys have done an amazing job clearing out that lot.
We're just getting started, Mayor Goodway. Granddad Dog, you know what to do.
10-4, coming with the treehouse platform now. Good luck, kids.
Did somebody order a treehouse tree?